Here's a motivational story. Underscore the phoenix rises. A story of resilience and determination underscore. In a small town, there lived a young man named Jack. Jack was a talented musician who had always dreamed of becoming a professional guitarist. He spent every spare moment practicing, and his passion for music was evident in every note he played. Tragedy struck one fateful night when Jack was involved in a devastating car accident. He suffered severe injuries, including a broken arm and a damaged hand. The doctors told him that he might never play the guitar again. Jack was heartbroken. Music was not just his passion, but his identity. Without it, he felt lost and hopeless. He went through a dark period, struggling to come to terms with his new reality. But Jack was not one to give up easily. He remembered the words of his grandfather, a wise and kind man who had always encouraged him to pursue his dreams. When life knocks you down, get back up and keep moving forward, he would say. With newfound determination, Jack began his journey to recovery. He underwent intense physical therapy, pushing himself to the limit every day. He learned to adapt, to find new ways to play the guitar with his injured hand. It wasn't easy. There were times when Jack felt like giving up, when the pain and frustration seemed too much to bear. But he drew strength from his loved ones, his music, and his own inner resilience. Months turned into years, and Jack's hard work paid off. He slowly began to play the guitar again, his music more beautiful and meaningful than ever before. He started performing at local venues, and soon, his talent and determination earned him a spot at a prestigious music festival. As Jack took the stage, his heart swelled with pride and gratitude. He looked out at the sea of faces, and his music poured out of him like a river. He played with every fiber of his being, his passion and joy infectious. The crowd erupted in applause, cheering for the young man who had refused to give up on his dreams. Jack's story spread like wildfire, inspiring countless people to face their own challenges with courage and determination. Underscore the moral underscore. Jack's story teaches us: 1. Resilience is key to overcoming adversity. 2. Determination and hard work can help us achieve our goals, no matter how impossible they seem. 3. Adaptability and creativity can help us find new ways to pursue our passions. 4. Our struggles can become our strengths, and our scars can become our stories. Underscore your turn underscore. What's your story? What challenges are you facing? Remember Jack's journey and know that you, too, can rise from the ashes like a phoenix. Keep pushing forward, and your music will be heard by the world.